Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the VRoid Studio 3D avatar into Blender 4.2. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. The VRoid Studio is an awesome software which allows you to create unlimited manga cartoon 3D avatar just in a few minutes. So how am I going to import it into Blender to make it become a 3D avatar in Blender 4.2 so that you can perform the 3D animations in Blender 4.2? The first step, what you need to do is just go to my video descriptions, go and download my VRM to FBX converter. Once you click into the link, it is going to lead you to my official site. Scroll down and then you can download through the download link that provided by me. Of course, you can just log in with Google and then you can download it. To log in with Google, you can just click login here, then just click login with Google. After a few seconds, it is going to come back to the original site. Then it is going to show the download link at here. So once you already download the VRM to FBX converter, it is a zip folder. You have to extract it into your computer. Then there are three elements: two plugin and a Blender 2.9 with VRM importer. First, just double click and open this Blender. This is Blender 2.9. Then you have to back to the original folder by clicking here. Install these two plugins in this Blender 2.9. This Blender 2.9 is only play a role as a converter. And in this tutorial, we are going to import everything into Blender 4.2. So in Blender 2.9 here, click Edit Preferences, click Install, click Add-ons and click Install. Then copy this folder so that you can select these two zip files. These two add-on, you don't need to extract it. Just copy and then paste it here. Press Enter. First, install the Cat's Blenders plugin. Then make sure you activate it. Then install again the VRM add-on. Then search for VRM. So also make sure you activate it. Search again the Cat's Blenders plugin. Make sure you activate it. So totally two plugins are activated. Then back to the Blender 2.9. First press A and press delete to delete everything. And then press N to make sure that the Cat's Blender plugin is ready. So you can import the VRM file from here. Then I'm going to back to the VRoid Studio. Export the VRM. Then from here, just click Export. These two you have to fill it, the creator and the title. VRM 0.0. Scroll down, click Export. Then as demo, I'm going to just choose a desktop. The file name, I'm going to name this as Avatar Sample A. VRM file, click Save. Now you can see the VRM file is already here. Back to the Blender 2.9 just now. 2.9. Press N. Select the Cat's Blenders plugin. Click the triple line here. Import the VRM from the desktop. The Avatar Sample A, double click it. It is going to import into Blender 2.9. Then click the orange. Just untick everything. We only want fixed material get selected. Click OK. Fix the model. Then wait for a few seconds. It's going to fix everything. Then this armature, you have to rename it. Double click it. Name this as model 01 or any of the desired name that you are going to give it to your 3D avatar. Then at here, in this tutorial, we are going to import it into Blender 4.2. So through the Blender 2.9 that provided by me, you already successfully imported. Just press A to select everything, press Ctrl C to copy, and then go to Blender 4.2.1. Press A to delete everything. Here, just Ctrl V to paste it here. Now you can see, once you're ready, copy and paste. It is already inside your Blender 4.2. Included the facial expressions, it will be inside the shape key. Let's say the angry, fun, the facial expression are ready. Click the skeleton. If you go to the pose modes, you can manipulate the skeleton, you can manipulate the rig. Everything are ready for your 3D animations. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the VRoid Studio cartoon 3D avatar into Blender 4.2.1 and make it ready for your 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to a 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!